Setting goals is a powerful way to improve your mind and grow mentally. When you set clear goals, you create a roadmap for your life. This roadmap helps you focus your energy and efforts on what really matters. Without goals, it is easy to feel lost or distracted. Goals give your brain a clear target to aim for. This helps your mind stay motivated and active. When your mind works towards something meaningful, it builds new habits and strengthens important skills like concentration, problem solving, and decision making. Mental growth happens when you challenge yourself. Goals push you to step out of your comfort zone. This is where learning and personal development begin. When you face challenges, your brain creates new connections and improves its ability to handle difficulties. Setting goals also helps with managing stress and improving your mood. When you know what you want to achieve, you feel more in control of your life. This reduces feelings of anxiety and uncertainty. Each small success you achieve boosts your confidence and encourages you to keep moving forward. To set effective goals for mental growth, make sure they are specific and realistic. Instead of vague goals like "I want to be smarter," try "I will read 1 book per month" or "I will practice mindfulness for 10 minutes every day." These clear goals give your mind a precise task to work on. Tracking your progress is important. It helps you see how far you've come and keeps your motivation strong. Celebrate your small wins because they build momentum and inspire continued effort. In summary, setting goals is essential for mental growth. Goals focus your mind, build new habits, help you overcome challenges, and improve your confidence. Start by setting small, clear goals today. Your mind will thank you with growth, strength, and resilience.